Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping any active sync. Go to the Photos app and turn off Auto Upload now. Once done, open iCloud or Google Photos and disable sync for this device. This prevents new restores. Next, visit Backup or Restore in Settings and pause or cancel the current restore session. Do this immediately so files already queued won't finish. You're preventing further data pull from cloud sources. That's the essential first action before deeper cleanup. Now you cancel any in-progress restore operation explicitly. Use the Backup UI's Cancel or Stop button and confirm. Then, make sure to delete partially restored photos from local storage. Check downloads, DSIM, and the app cache. Once removed, go to Account Permissions and revoke access for photo apps you no longer trust. This prevents silent redownloads. Finally, sign out of cloud accounts on the device, so no background restore restarts without your approval. Finish by verifying the cloud account's restore queue on the web. Clear pending restores or device backups that might trigger another import. If photos keep returning, uninstall and reinstall the Photos app, or do a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you have a safe backup first. If problems persist, check your other signed-in devices. One of them may be resyncing and pushing files back. If that happens, sign out or disable sync on those devices to stop the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.